I just finished this absolutely outstanding, antique, French singing birdcage, and this was made by Bontems of Paris, France. It's in wonderful condition. I fully serviced everything so it works exactly as it should. It is fully wound, so let's watch the birds sing. We'll start off on the pause feature. Then we'll move to continuous. Wait for one more pause. The bird sings with full voice, hitting all the oscillating notes, and the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly as it should. It's a very sweet song. The head rotates from left to right, and the beak and tail flutter to the oscillating notes of the bird song. Very, very nice condition. In summary, it's an excellent, antique singing birdcage made by Bontems of Paris, France that works perfectly. Turn it off by sliding the lever, and it winds from underneath. I'll rotate this as such. Take care.